The objective of the trip is to foster closer relationships among colleagues, particularly across different regions and departments. This community trip is also part of the company benefit to appreciate the efforts of doers.
Hard work does pay off, and we're here reaping the benefits of what we have all sown together. Let's continue to work hard as a team so that we may grow together, enjoy our hard work, and continue to excel both as individuals and as a team. On behalf of the Do Group, I sincerely thank you for being part of our journey and our history, and look forward to our future together.
Our company went through a lot of difficulties, obstacles. Yeah, we overcome a lot of them to get here. But finally we get here, right? That is because of the efforts of everyone. I want you to know that the people around you, sitting here, working with you, they are all excellent.